Welcome to the KBCC Garage.
Hey folks, this is Cliff Kissy Boy Smith coming to you with a video, which if you have seen the thumbnail for this, then you already know what it is. But this arrived today on my doorstep. So I do have my 70 Plymouth GTX. That's the street machine version that I'll be doing for the unified scale automotive content creators group build, running from September 15th of 2022 clear through January 15th of 2023. As you can see back here, you can see their feet with on Mark and Robert. happy that this got here today. So now I can start working on it after I finish dropping it on the floor. They can start working on it now that it's finally here. And I did go through the box. Looks like everything is there. Now that I have it in person, I've seen other people that have this kit, and I like that that color. Nice metallic blue. But I don't know if it's going to be that color. I'm still in the idea phase, figuring out what's going to happen. And I'm also still working on this. So if you follow me on Facebook, you've seen I've been working on this. Don't judge me. Anyway, so I do look forward to getting to this. I don't know when I'm going to get to it. I'll probably, if the mood strikes me, I might cut it. I might pull this out of the box and start cutting some junk off of it and getting going on it. But in the meanwhile, that GTO is what I've been working on for the last week. So I want to finish that up. I wanted to get it finished before this arrived, but it's here now, and now I'm excited. So I'll probably get to that pretty soon, and I know Mark's going to be hounding me to get to it. Anyway, so this is just a quick video to show you that I did get the kit for the build off, and I will be working on it. But first, I want to work on this GTO. No, not sure what else to say. I'm gonna get to that one, and there's probably gonna be a video on the GTO Don't Judge Me coming as soon as I feel like shooting a video. Anyway, so happy Tuesday to all who are watching this. This is shot on Tuesday. I don't know when I'm gonna put it up, but if it's not Tuesday, then hello from the past. Ooh. Either way, all right. Talk to you guys later. Take care. Enjoy. Have fun. Be safe. If you got a real hot rod, if it's a nice day, go take it out for a ride. And come back in the evening and work on your models. Anyway, all right, y'all take care. It's Cliff Kissy Boy Smith, and I'm out of here. Take care. Goodbye.